Hello friends, let's see how to make a simple calculator using Python language. Now let's see the coding. First, we have to import tkinter module. We want everything from the tkinter, so I am going to take here from tkinter import star. Let's define the master. We are going to define here cal as a master and cal is equals to tk. Let's give the title to this page. So I'm going to use here cal.title as a calculator. The calculator follows the operators. Let's define operator as opt equal to. The inputs given to the calculator are in the form of numbers. So text input is equals to string var. Here string variable is the variable class. Now for closing this page, we are going to use here cal.main loop. Here cal is a master. Now save the program and see the output. So we are getting here our page which is formed and it is titled as a calculator. So calculator needs the text display box and the buttons. Let's see how to take a text display box and button. For text display, we are going to use here text display, txt display. We are going to use here entry field. The entry field is used to provide the single line text box to the user to accept a value from the user. Now here we are going to use entry in bracket cal is a master, comma, we are defining here font and give the property to the font as a Arial. Size of font is 20 and let's bold it. Give the background color to the text display box as a powder blue. The border width is 30. The insertion width of the input are 4. Let's justify it to this right side. Is take the input in the form of number. So text var is equals to text input. By using grid method, we are going to give position to the text display box. Grid method is used for placing the widget to respective position in the table structure. So we are giving here grid column span equal to 4. Now save this program and see the output. So we get our display box. It is going to display the input number and the results. So let's take the input buttons to the calculator. For button, we are going to use here B7 equal to button. Let's take the master cal, comma, give the padding 16. Take the border 8. Give the font color black. Let's define the font properties as a Arial. Give the size of font 20 and bold it. Now we are going to give the text which we want to display on the button. So I am going to take here text equal to 7. Give the background color to the button as a powder blue. And let's give the position to this button as grid row equal to 1 and column is equals to 0. It is positioned at first row and 0th column. Let's take all the buttons which we want to display on the calculator, save the program and see the output. One is missing. So we are getting here all the buttons on the calculator. Let's press 7, 8. We can't get any inputs on the display box because we cannot give any command or we cannot define a function to this button. Let's give the function and command to the button. Now function to update the input in the text entry box. the function in the Python defined as the def. Here bclick is the function name. We are going to define here global variable. Global variable is used outside or inside of the function. It can be accessed from outside or inside of the function. So we are going to define here global operator. Let's concatenating the string number to the operators and updating the expression by the using set method. And now we are going to give this function command to all the buttons. So we are writing here command equal to lambda colon bclick 7. Here we are using lambda. Lambda is a function which can take any number of argument, which is used for the output display. So we are giving here command equal to lambda bclick 7. 7 is the number which we want to display on the text display because the button number is 7. Let's give all the commands to that respective buttons. So next we are using here command equals to lambda bclick 8 because we want to display here 8. The button number is 8. So save this program and see the output. Now let's see. It's going to take all the inputs from the buttons. So now we want to write a function for the clear button and equal button. Let's see how to write this. Now for the clear, def bclear. Here bclear is the function name. Again we are going to define here global operator. Take operator equal to and update this by the set method. It is for the clear the contents of the text box entry. Now let's write the function for the equal. So we are taking here def b equal is the function name. Again we are going to define the global operator. Now let's take z equal to str eval operator. Here eval function evaluate the expression and str function converts the result into string. So this is used for the equal operation. Now we are going to give command to the equal button. So here it is the equal. So give here command equal to b equal, and here command equal to b clear. Now save this program and see the output. So we are getting here our output. Now let's see one example. 8 plus 9, the answer is 17. So we are getting here our output. Now clear the text display. It's working. Now let's see another example. 5 into 4 or 4 into 5 equal to 20. It's right. Now clear this. See the another example. 9 divided by 2, 4.5. So by using Python language, we can make a calculator for simple arithmetic operations. Thank you.